Hi there, welcome back. As usual, we're going to talk about the indices performance and check out what are we looking at next week. So very quickly, let's take a look at the chart. Last week, I mentioned about the support over here. As expected, it managed to rebound and then broke out from its resistance for the Dow. And we are looking at the Dow heading towards the next resistance at 34,288. So if the uptrend continue, we should see this resistance get tested next week. So the uptrend is quite defined right now for the Dow. And the index, if it's bullish, I think you should know that individual stocks or the overall market sentiments are bullish. So that will help you in your stock. So making the right choice of stocks would help you to profit from this uptrend. Okay, S&P 500, I mentioned here the support level. We are talking about a strong rebound as the CPI data went down drastically below expectation at 7.7. So the S&P 500 managed to break out from its resistance over here at 3,906. And then the previous projected target, if you remember on the previous video, it was at 4,033. So we are looking at S&P 500 going there. If the economic data continue to show good sign, then we are looking at the reason easily get tested, and we can see the gap over here get filled up. So the gap over here get filled up, and the resistance to test next after 4033 broken out will be 4120. The Nasdaq, very good week as well. It managed to hold at this support at the early week and rebounded after the CPI data released. So the strong rebound brought the index back to its resistance level. If you look at this arrow, this was the previous projected target at around 12,322. But then, of course, we see a first sign of a good bullishness over here with this breakout from the head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder neckline. And then the next target to break will be 11,606. After that, we hope that it can go to its projected target around 12,222. STI, as I mentioned, was bullish. It broke up from its resistance over here at this 3,168 and move up to 3,241. And the next resistance to look out for will be this 3,241, which was a previous support resistance. Then the major resistance or multiple tested resistance will be around 3,277. So if STI tests this level, then we'll be going back to where we started, where the bull runs continue. Hang Seng went to our project target and went above our expectation as China opened up. So China shortened the COVID period, isolation period by 2 days. So we are looking at Hang Seng moving towards resistance, gap resistance over here at this 17,449. As if we have the gap completely to 17,708, then we can see the resistance at 18,166 get tested. So next week, what are we looking at? Next week will be a crucial week because the midterm elections result will be confirmed, I think, almost there already. So far, the Senate is leading by the Democrats, and then the House is the Republican is leading. So other than the elections, we have a few economic data to look out for. The core PPI data, if this goes down, it will further strengthen that inflations are going down. Market will tend to be bullish. Then Europe will have their own core CPI inflation announcement as well. If it goes down, then we may see that the interest rate hike goes down or do not goes up. So in fact, the chances of do not go up will be higher first because they want to see continuous dropping numbers in terms of the inflation. Then we can see interest rates starting to go on downtrend. Okay, so good luck to all of us next week. I'll see you again. Bye.